music clefs, the symbols that tell musicians how to read music. The most common clef is the treble clef. It's also known as the G clef because it looks like a fancy G. Musicians who play instruments like the violin or flute will usually use the treble clef. Next up, we have the bass clef. This one is also known as the F clef. Musicians who play instruments like the bass guitar or cello will use the bass clef. Now, let's talk about C clefs. The first one is the alto clef. It's called the C clef because the center of the clef is on the line representing middle C. Musicians who play instruments like the viola or the alto trombone will use the alto clef. Next, we have the tenor clef. Like the alto clef, it's called the C clef because the center of the clef is on the line representing the middle C. Musicians who play instruments like the tenor trombone or the cello may use the tenor clef. The piano uses a grandstaff, combining the treble and bass clef. The treble clef is used for the higher notes played with the right hand, while the bass clef is used for the lower notes played with the left hand.